Was this recipe created entirely by the power of AI? No, we used ChatGPT. You're an adorable robot.
The time of man is coming to an end.
Ba 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 ba, Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make salmon crudo. Not to be confused with salmon crude oil. Yeah, I'm fucking rich. That little salmon followed his dreams, and so will we. Let's get to it. First up, let's start by cutting up some things. What needs to be chopped up? Shallot. Oh, trying to get away from me, huh, shallot? Let's chop some shallots. I wanted super thin slices, so I finally caved and bought a mandolin. Yeah! That stupid joke cost $200. Mandolin. Don't play guitar with this one. Removing the skin from my friend the shallots. Put on your special gloves and hope you don't get cut. Now carefully slice. Woo. Satisfying things are satisfying. Thin slices of shallot. I don't need you anymore. I put the shallots in cold water because it removes some of their intensity.
And it gives it to me.
Now get yourself a chili pepper. Boop, boop, beep. Cool. Don't waste things. Oh, right. Before we forget, look, merch. Get a Chad t-shirt. They're really pretty. They're pretty shirts. Go get one. Next up, you're gonna want to get yourself a mandarin. Not to be confused with a mandarin. Expensive props get used more than once. Peel your fruit. Remember, when things get tough, it's citrus against the world. Just de-skin your mandarins. That doesn't sound right. Flay your mandarins. Remove the skin from your mandarin. Next up, you're gonna wanna add in a big adventure. And if you can't find a big adventure, a couple capers will do. Look, Camera B, we got capers. Let's do our salmon. No, not now. If salmon was a Digimon, would it be called Salmonmon? Oh look, it's digivolving. Salmonmon digivolves too.
Mecha Salmon.
Slice up your salmon. As far as thinness goes, it's totally up to you. I like to go pretty thin though. Thin slices of salmon is what we want. If you've got a couple of thick boys in there, that's cool too. Pretty, pretty, pretty salmon. Come together right now. Salmon time. Now put this in the fridge while we prep the sauce. Salmon crudo actually just means that the salmon told a lot of dirty jokes. Crudo actually just translates to there being a lot of sexy singles in my area. Let's make a little sauce. Lamonmon digivolves to I'm alone. Gah! We're gonna get a big handful of dill because, well, it's delightful. Chop up your dill. Dill goes here. A little bit of lemon zest. Ooh. Then get yourself some creme fraiche. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Right. Ooh. Creme fraiche just translates to cream fresh. Oh, well, that's interesting. Turns out that the sexy singles stole my credit card information. Joke's on them. I maxed that thing out years ago. Point Leo. A little bit of Dreyfus snout. Pinch of salt. Woo! Now mix it all together. A little bit of lemon juice. Bag of cream. It's a mess. That's what a cooking show is. Don't worry about it. Salmon. Super thin slices of shallots go on. Sliced chili peppers go on. Capers go. A few little dollops of creme fraiche. Now it's clementine. Clementine for clementines. We're just gonna lightly drizzle olive oil everywhere. A little bit of lemon zest. Frou-chou, frou-chou. And obviously, a little bit of finishing salt, just a bit on top, and a pinch of gochugaru because that's what I do, always. I love it, it's delicious. Salmon crudo, enjoy. And now I put this in my face. A bite of everything. Wow, that's good. Oh my God, just like, oh my God. This might be one of the best things I ever made. Oh my God. Go make this, get a shirt, you'll be happy. Bye, friends.